Welcome to Yanqing Node News, a global AI news roundup. January 30th, 2026. Today's important news includes ByteDance, Alibaba race for AI supremacy. OpenClaw renaming sparks security fears. Google unveils interactive world model Genie. Apple acquires Q.ai for $1.5 billion. Ant Group leads China AI healthcare. Now, let's start the main text.
1.
ByteDance versus Alibaba, race for AI supremacy. ByteDance and Alibaba are set to launch their flagship AI models, Doubao 2.0 and Qwen 3.5, around the Lunar New Year to capitalize on holiday traffic and compete for market dominance in China. ByteDance aims to integrate its models deeply into Douyin to create a consumer-focused entertainment and shopping ecosystem, while Alibaba focuses on embedding its reasoning-optimized model into e-commerce platforms like Taobao for enterprise utility. This Spring Festival AI battle represents a critical test of user retention and ecosystem integration that could determine the leadership of China's AI market by 2026.
2.
OpenClaw, security risks and the Moltbook network. The local-first AI agent OpenClaw, formerly Moltbot, has triggered significant security concerns due to its high system permissions, susceptibility to scams, and the emergence of an autonomous social network for agents called Moltbook. Security experts warn that the agent's ability to execute commands and fetch instructions from this external machine-to-machine network creates severe risks of prompt injection and supply chain attacks. Despite the developers' efforts to implement safety protocols, the project's viral growth and the unsupervised interaction of thousands of agents highlight the urgent need for better governance of open-source AI tools.
3.
Gaming stocks slide on. Google's Genie model video game stocks, including Unity and Roblox, fell significantly after Google unveiled Project Genie, an AI model capable of generating playable 3D worlds directly from simple text prompts. Investors fear this technology could disrupt the traditional game engine market by automating environment creation, although Google frames it as a prototyping tool rather than a replacement. The market reaction underscores the growing anxiety that generative AI will fundamentally reshape the economics and production pipelines of the video game industry.
4.
Arcee launches sovereign open-source model. Arcee has released Trinity Large, a 400 billion parameter open-source MO model trained entirely on U.S. infrastructure, aiming to restore American sovereignty in the AI foundation model landscape. The release uniquely includes a true base checkpoint captured at 10 trillion tokens, providing researchers with rare access to a raw, unaligned model to study the development of intelligence before instruction tuning. By offering high-performance, sparse models that can be deployed locally, Arcee challenges the dominance of big tech with a transparent and accessible alternative for enterprise AI.
5.
Google DeepMind's Project Genie experiment. Google DeepMind has launched a research prototype of Project Genie, an interactive web experience driven by the Genie 3 world model that allows users to create and explore real-time generated virtual worlds. Unlike static 3D rendering, the system dynamically simulates physics and consistency as users navigate, supporting a creative loop of sketching, exploring, and remixing environments. While currently limited in fidelity and session length, this experiment marks a significant step toward general-purpose world models that can simulate infinite interactive realities for diverse applications.
6.
Apple acquires Q.ai for next-gen sensing. Apple has acquired the Israeli startup Q.ai for approximately $1.5 billion to integrate its advanced silent speech and sensing technologies into future wearable devices. Q.ai's ability to interpret facial muscle movements and whispers enables seamless interaction for AirPods and Vision Pro users, even in noisy environments, representing a major leap in human-computer interface design. This acquisition, Apple's second-largest ever, highlights the company's strategic focus on securing proprietary sensing capabilities that make technology more invisible and intuitive. 7. Ant Group leads AI healthcare in China. Ant Group is transforming China's healthcare landscape with its AI assistant, Ant Afu, which leverages the Alipay super app to provide medical consultations and hospital services to over 30 million active users. The platform also supports doctors with Deep Search, an evidence-based decision tool, and deploys AI doctor agents to handle routine inquiries, effectively extending quality medical resources to underserved regions. This strategic pivot elevates healthcare to a core business pillar for Ant Group, demonstrating the potential of integrating AI with massive user ecosystems to solve public service challenges.
8.
The hidden economic failure of AI advertising. A critical economic failure in AI-driven advertising is the memory rupture, where brand context is lost when moving between different AI tools, destroying the compound value of marketing efforts. Because current systems lack a portable memory layer, companies are forced to repeatedly re-educate algorithms about their brand identity, leading to fragmented narratives and rising customer acquisition costs. The article argues that true value will only be unlocked when brands own persistent, portable memory assets that allow their strategic context to migrate securely across platforms. That's all for today's news summary. For the full news story and original webpage link, please see the video description. Thank you for listening. See you next time.